Welcome to Compare to Win. The best small yellow balloons is probably one of the most versatile and charming decorative elements available, capable of transforming any space into a vibrant and festive atmosphere with their cheerful hue and playful presence, making them an ideal choice for a wide array of celebrations, from intimate birthday parties and whimsical baby showers to grand corporate events and lively holiday gatherings, ensuring that every occasion is met with an undeniable sense of joy and visual delight that captivates guests of all ages. Number 5. PartyWoo Mustard Yellow Balloons. Introducing our pack of 50 mustard yellow balloons, perfect for adding a vibrant and energetic touch to any celebration. Their solid, consistent color makes them ideal for a wide range of party themes. Crafted from high-quality latex, these balloons are thick and durable, ensuring they stay inflated longer. They are perfect for creating stunning arches, garlands, and centerpieces that will last throughout your event. You can fill these balloons with air, which will keep them inflated for up to 72 hours. For floating decorations, use helium, which typically lasts 3 to 6 hours. Fill them an hour or two before your event for the best results. Please avoid overfilling the balloons and protect them from direct sunlight, excessive heat, and sharp objects. Controlling the inflation is key to achieving your desired size and ensuring a safe celebration. These versatile balloons are ideal for birthdays, graduations, anniversaries, baby showers, and themed parties like sunflower or bee themes. They are sure to make your event unforgettable. Embrace a boho-neutral fall aesthetic with these beautiful mustard yellow balloons. They are perfect for creating a warm and inviting atmosphere for your autumn gatherings. What we like? These balloons offer a rich, vibrant mustard yellow that's perfect for fall-themed events. They are made from thick, durable latex, ensuring they stay inflated longer for your decorations. If you're planning a birthday, baby shower, or Thanksgiving party and want a warm, inviting color palette, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. No premature popping and they still are inflated 7 days later. These balloons could easily have been reused if we had the patience to undo them too. They were easy to seal and work with. Balloons lasted for more than 3 days and they were inflated the night before. They look very professional and look like the expensive brand or double-stuffed balloons. Number 4. PartyWoo 5-inch Mini Yellow Balloons. Introducing our 5-inch mini yellow balloons, perfect for adding a touch of vibrant energy to any event. These come in a pack of 100, offering consistent color for your decorations. Crafted from thick, durable latex, these balloons stay inflated longer. They are perfect for creating stunning arches, garlands, and centerpieces that will last throughout your celebration. Filling them with air is a breeze, and they'll stay full for up to 72 hours. Their standard necks allow for quick inflation, making setup simple and enjoyable. Please avoid overfilling, sunburn, or sharp objects. Control the amount of air for your desired size and enjoy your party with confidence. From birthdays and baby showers to graduations and summer parties, these versatile balloons are perfect for making any occasion more memorable. While these balloons are wonderful for air inflation, please note they may not float when filled with helium due to their size. What we like? This pack provides a generous 100 small, 5-inch balloons with a lovely matte finish. They are made from durable latex, perfect for intricate balloon arrangements. If you need to create detailed garlands, add small accents to larger displays, or are decorating for a baby shower or Easter, these mini balloons are ideal. What people say. The colors were vibrant and exactly as pictured, which made my setup look beautiful and professional. The balloons were high quality and durable, none of them popped while I was inflating or assembling the display. These are a perfect match for the PartyWoo Pink 05 balloons that I ordered earlier. I've had no issues inflating them. They hold air great, but even better when they are double stuffed. They will hold air for months and still look great. The balloons were good quality and held up well after being stored for 2 days in a 60 degrees environment before use. They inflated nicely, were easy to work with, and did not feel thin or fragile. Number 3. PartyWoo 100 PCS 12-inch Yellow Latex Balloons. Introducing our 100-piece set of 12-inch yellow latex balloons. Their solid, consistent color brings vibrant energy to any event. They are perfect for birthdays, weddings, baby showers, and adding a bright touch to your party. Crafted from high-quality, thick latex, these balloons stay full longer. They are perfect for creating stunning arches, garlands, and centerpieces. Ensure your decorations remain perfect throughout your celebration. Fill them with air and they'll stay full for up to 72 hours. For floating fun, use helium, which lasts 3 to 6 hours. For the best float, fill with helium just before your event. Please avoid overfilling, sunburn, overheating, or sharp objects. Control the inflation to achieve your desired size. Enjoy your party with these perfect balloons. These yellow balloons are ideal for graduations, baby showers, Easter, engagements, birthdays, and themed parties like bee or lemon. Make your event unforgettable with these versatile decorations. What we like. Get a large quantity of 100 bright yellow balloons in a classic 12-inch size. Made from thick, durable latex, they are suitable for various celebrations and can be filled with helium to float. If you're looking for impactful, standalone balloons for a birthday, graduation, or a summer-themed party, these will make a statement. What people say. The colors were vibrant and exactly as pictured, which made my setup look beautiful and professional. The balloons were high quality and durable, none of them popped while I was inflating or assembling the display, which is a huge plus. These are a perfect match for the PartyWoo Pink 05 balloons that I ordered earlier. I've had no issues inflating them. I always use a hand pump when inflating 5-inch balloons. They hold air great, but even better when they are double stuffed. They will hold air for months and still look great. The balloons were good quality and held up well after being stored for 2 days in a 60 degrees environment before use. They inflated nicely, were easy to work with, and did not feel thin or fragile. Number 2. PartyWoo Mustard Yellow Balloons. Introducing our stunning mustard yellow balloons, perfect for any celebration. They come in a variety of sizes to create beautiful balloon arrangements. Crafted from thick, durable latex, these balloons stay inflated longer, ensuring your decorations look amazing throughout your event. When filled with air, they maintain their fullness for up to 72 hours. They are designed for quick and easy inflation. Please avoid overfilling, direct sunlight, and sharp objects to ensure they last. Inflate them to your desired size for the best effect. These versatile balloons are perfect for birthdays, graduations, baby showers, and so many more special events, making them truly memorable. They are especially wonderful for bee, sunflower, or little cutie themed parties, adding a cheerful touch to your decor. What we like. This kit offers a variety of mustard yellow balloon sizes, from 5 to 18 inches, perfect for creating stunning balloon arches and garlands. They are made from high-quality, durable latex for easy inflation and longevity. If you're aiming for a professional-looking, multi-dimensional balloon display for a bee, sunflower, or fall-themed party, this kit has everything you need. What people say. The balloons are a vibrant yellow color. They are easy to inflate and tie. The balloons held their shape well throughout the event. Number 1. PartyWoo 140 PCS Matte Yellow Balloon Arch Kit. Introducing our stunning yellow balloon arch kit, perfect for any celebration. This set features balloons in various sizes to create a beautiful, full display. Crafted from thick, durable latex, these balloons are designed to stay inflated longer. They are perfect for creating impressive arches, garlands, and centerpieces that last throughout your event. Easily inflate these balloons with air for a display that lasts up to 72 hours. They are designed for quick inflation, making setup a breeze for any occasion. To ensure the best results, avoid overfilling and protect them from extreme conditions. Inflate them to your desired size for a perfect party look. From birthdays and baby showers to graduations and themed parties, these balloons add a cheerful touch. Make your next event unforgettable with these beautiful yellow decorations. This comprehensive kit includes 140 balloons in sizes ranging from 5 to 18 inches. You'll have everything you need to create a stunning visual impact for your party. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes balloons in various sizes from 5 to 18 inches, all in a beautiful matte yellow finish. Crafted from thick, durable latex, these are designed for creating impressive balloon garlands. If you're hosting an event like Easter, a baby shower, or a graduation and want a cohesive, stylish look without the hassle of sourcing individual balloons, this kit is your best bet. What people say. The PartyWoo balloons were thick and very stretchy and flexible, making them super easy to tie. These blow up evenly where some other brands have balloons are formed oddly and don't inflate to a uniform shape. PartyWoo balloons were very consistent in shape and texture. They lasted for a week and a half until I finally popped them all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.